This is the E, True Hollywood Story of I.
Euler discovered that I equaled the square root of -1. In the movie Solving Equations, I had to solve the problem x squared equals -16. He showed that x equals the square root of -16. Since I equals the square root of -1, he threw himself in the equation and we got x equals I times the square root of 16. From there, he simplified the equation to x equals 4i.
After his first big budget film, Mr. I became a Hollywood heartthrob. Then he got a role in the summer blockbuster Simplifying Expressions.
In this movie, he had to solve the problem the square root of -49 times the square root of -4. He had a hard time solving the problems, but in the end, he simplified the expression.
As he got older, Mr. I found it harder to get work and he got into drugs and alcohol. After a brief stay in rehab, he was back and better than ever. He even got a sidekick named Complex. They starred in the action-packed movie Complex Numbers.
He and Complex had to solve the problem 3 plus 2i times 1 plus 7i. He and Complex made a good team, and in the end, they came to the answer -11 plus 23i.
Although Mr. I was retired, he still makes a quick buck by doing celebrity endorsements for electronics. Mr. I's body of work will forever make him a symbol in history.
That was the E True Hollywood Story of I.